and today I'm talking about my next favorite spring trend, which is pastels. Now we always see kind of a resurgence of pastels in the springtime. I don't know if it has to do with Easter and all the Easter eggs. I personally love it because my birthday's in April, so I'm always in love with like the Easter, mentality and motif, so to speak. But the two colors that really spoke to me and really stuck out to me as I looked through all the fashion runways, and they were all kind of sharing these sherbet type colors, but the two that stuck out to me was kind of a lavender light purple. So this is one dress I happen to have on hand that is in that color range. It's kind of fun because it has a little peplum, has a little almost like gingham, not gingham, just cut out, so it kind of looks like a little gingham pattern, I guess. So that one was a fun way to incorporate that trend. Or this kind of icy pastel blue is just uber pretty, very ladylike, so I grabbed a little dress that showed it. And it's easy to incorporate no matter what your style type is. So if you love this color but maybe you feel like it washes you out, maybe try it in a pair of shoes. Pop those on. Again, I'm a girly girl, I love to wear high heels, so mine are in high heels, but maybe yours are in a flat or a sandal or a boot, but maybe try that color out in a fun shoe or just a blouse. Like this one's really pretty, has a great little accordion at the bottom there. So try it out. If you don't like it, move on to the next trend, but maybe just incorporate some pastels into your look to bring a fun, fresh spring vibe to your wardrobe.
Hey loves, if you liked today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Style by Deidra.